Hey guys, this is Dave from Orchids and Fynbos, and today I have a very interesting orchid haul for you. So I decided to purchase from this company. They're called Orchidology. They do quite a bit of seedlings and some of their own hybrids that they've made. So I thought, yeah, let me purchase a few things. It was pretty inexpensive, I must be quite honest. So yeah, and let's see what we've got. I can't remember what I've ordered. I decided to forget about it and see what happens when I open the box now. So yeah, let's get started. Make sure to watch to the end of the video for a special bloom. Oh, so this looks like it's going to be quite a messy job. You can kind of see what's going on in there, so we'll take them one at a time. Okay. Okay, so this is the Epicattleya René Marqués flamethrower by Brassavola cucullata. So it's a cross. This is one of the most interesting ones I saw in terms of the hybrids. It's a pretty interesting hybrid I haven't seen before. I don't think it exists anywhere else from what I can see, but obviously if anyone knows the Epicattleya René Marqués, it has those beautiful orange, green and yellow flowers. And the Brassavola cucullata has those long, I haven't seen one in person, but it's got those long wispy type of petals. So it'd be very interesting to see how this cross turns out. I wonder if it's going to retain the cucullata long wispy petals and if it will retain the colors of the Epicattleya. That'll be very interesting to see. So yeah, I had to get one of these. I have a René Marqués, but I do not have a Brassavola cucullata, so this will be my first type of hybrid of that at least. Yeah, let's move on to the next one. Okay, let's put this label back. So I'll put this over there so you can see them. Okay, next one we will start with is this. So this is okay. So this one I can see is an Oncidium type or one of the Tolumnia crosses. Let's see. 051833. Okay, so this is an interesting Oncidium type. I'll try and put a picture up of it. So this is an Oncidesa Cocoa by Oncidium strictum. I've never seen either of those before. I saw the pictures on the website and I had to get it. As you can see, this is a seedling, so it's pretty tiny, but it's very, very cute. Okay, so I imagine this will obviously get quite a bit bigger. So yeah, that's that one. I'm just going to lie to that side. Then the next one, which we will open, is this one over here. Oh, this one's hanging on for dear life. So it's also a Oncidium cross. Doesn't look to have so you can see it's loosely potted in the moss. I'll need to just pot that a bit more tightly in that. So this is to be honest, I have never had seedlings that are this size yet. So I hope I'm going to be able to keep these things alive. But yeah, so this is my first try at very, very small orchids. So we'll see once they mature. Okay, so this one is cannot pronounce that name, but Peaseara, I think it is. Chian-Tzy Lovely by Gomesa crispa. I cannot remember what this one looked like. Again, I'll put pictures up from what I've seen, so that you can take a look at what they look like. Again, an Oncidium type, or at least an Oncidium alliance type. Okay. Now we'll start with one of the. I think this looks a bit bigger. Oh, this one looks interesting. To be honest, they look very healthy. I'm quite chuffed with this. Again, they are seedlings. There's a bit of work I'll have to. Stanhopea oculata. So I've never had a Stanhopea before, and this is why I decided to get one of these. The Stanhopea are the ones that have this almost like I think it's like a, would you describe it? Bird or like dragon, like flying dragon or bird type of flowers that hang down. They're pendulous. So yeah, very interesting, and so I wanted to try my hands at one of these. I'll again try and insert a picture of this for you guys. No idea what this is. Dendrobium type. Okay, so let's give you a view of the plant. Very, very nice plant. Very nice. Very good condition. So this is the Dendrobium kingianum. So I do have other kingianums, but I requested the red or the pink form. So we will see what this one looks like. Yeah, see what this one looks like when it flowers. But that's in a very good condition. I really do like the kingianums. I do want to try and get some of the other color forms. So we'll see. I have 3 in my collection now, so we'll see what forms I do have when they flower. And none of them have flowered for me just yet. Okay, so we have 10 orchids in total that we're unboxing. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there should be another 4 left in the box. It's an interesting one. Okay, so this, let me try and see. This is one of the, I think this is the Oncidium cross with the Tolumnia. Sorry, let me just get all this. Okay, let's try and take a look and see which one this is. Yes, that's correct. This is the Tolumnia Jairak Firm Orange Bull crossed with Oncidium sotoanum. So again, very interesting. I also like the fact that it was an Oncidium and Tolumnia cross. I haven't seen one of those before. So we'll see what we end up with when it flowers. Oh, look at these beautiful roots. Let's see if I can get you in there. Very, very nice quality plant. Look at those roots and look how fat those bulbs are. Plump. This is the autumnalis. So this is the Laelia autumnalis. So yeah, I've been really interested in the Laelia species, specifically the Rupiculus Laelia species. This is not a Rupiculus Laelia, however, but I've been wanting to get some of the anceps and a few of the other varieties of Laelias. I do really like them more so than the other Cattleya types. I know that the names have changed of many of them, and some of them have now fallen into the Cattleya alliance, or the Cattleya genus. But I still like what you would be considered as the traditional Laelia types. Yeah. Okay, so next let's open the big one. Oh, all the sand's falling out of this one. Okay. Messy business. Okay. Okay, so this is the Zygopetalum. This is the Zygopetalum mackayi Fragrant, it says. So yeah, I think, to be honest, I saw Zygopetalum species. I love Zygopetalums, but I saw Zygopetalum species and I had to get it. And then I saw Fragrant, and I think all Zygopetalums are fragrant, but when they put Fragrant in the clone name, you expect it to be intensely fragrant. So let's see what happens when this one flowers. So this is the Zygopetalum mackayi, or Zygopetalum mackayi, I think it is. Difficult to pronounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. That's all. That's right. That's all. Okay, so we calculated that incorrectly. These are all of the plants. So again, we have the Zygopetalum mackayi, fragrant. We have the Laelia autumnalis. Again, let's just show you a close-up of this plant. Very beautiful specimen. Then we have the Stanhopea oculata. Also a very nice plant. Then the Tolumnia Jairak Firm Orange Bull by Oncidium sotoanum. Then the Epicattleya René Marqués by Brassavola cucullata. Also a very nice plant. So just the thing on the René Marqués, they always get these maroon shade in the leaves. It's really pretty. My René Marqués also has that colouring. Then we have the Dendrobium kingianum. Again, very beautiful specimen. Okay. Then the Peaseara Chian-Tzy Lovely by Gomesa crispa. And finally, we have the Oncidesa Cocoa by Oncidium strictum. Okay, then something I just wanted to also show you guys. Recently I walked into one of the nurseries this side, and there's a nursery that's based here in Cape Town that sells to a lot of the, an orchid nursery, sorry, that sells to a lot of the local plant nurseries. They're called Iconoff Orchid Nursery, and I always, whenever I walk into the plant shops and I see their orchids, I always take a look to see what there is. And you know me, I love the kind of like star-shaped Cattleya type orchids that also that have deep red colors and maroon and purple colors. So I recently saw this orchid, which is, let's first tell you what it is, the Cattleya Duckitt Ruby. So this hybrid has the Guarianthe borigiana and the Cattleya, I think it is, Orantiaca, which I recently purchased as well. So this is a new one that I've recently purchased. It has those bright, beautiful red type of flowers, and then also the star shape of flowers. So I did wait a while to show you the video of this. I see the flowers are starting to fade at the moment. but I wanted to find an appropriate time to show you guys this plant. And then let's just show you some of these this side. Very, very beautiful. But what I will do is I'll insert an image of when I recently got it. I'll insert an image of the picture that I took at that point. But they're very, very beautiful. It's a very, very beautiful Cattleya. It has no fragrance, but it is very, very beautiful. Look at that. So yeah, so thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and hit subscribe if you would like to see more of these types of videos. Also hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more Orchids and Fynbos videos. Keep well and keep safe. Bye.